Okay, now index of 8 core industries in India is released by, okay, so there are a lot of indexes which India is releasing, and world bodies are releasing. So this is India specific. Okay, in India, there are a lot of industries which we have. In that 8 industries or 8 sectors we consider very important, or the core sectors. Okay, so that is always a UPSC's favorite topic also. So India's 8 core industry, there is a report, index is there. That is released by whom? It is by the Office of Economic Advisor, Ministry of Commerce. Okay, so you learn 2 things now. This index is by this Office of Economic Advisor, and that comes under the Ministry of Commerce. Okay, and it is a monthly production volume index released by them. Okay, before the release of IIP. So IIP is another term which you have to study, that is Index of Industrial Production. That means now we are not seeing just 8 sectors, we are looking the overall sectors, everything. That is Index of Industrial Production, IIP, which is released by whom? Which is released by the CSO, okay, Central Standard Organization, about which I'll teach you again. So this is released, but prior to that, what happens is this Commerce Ministry is itself Economic Advisor, right? They will release the 8 core thing. So 8 core thing will come first, then the total thing will come. Okay. That is how it is released in order. Now, what are these 8 cores? So what is the share of this 8 core industry in the total? It is 40.27%. Okay, meaning if there are 100% in this overall sectors, in that 40.27% goes to this 8 core industries. That much important these 8 core industries are. And which are these 8 core industries? It's listed here. I will show you a trick also how to by heart this, because it's important. In this also, which one has higher weightage, that also you have to study. In this, within this 8 sectors, refinery has the highest. This is in order I have given. Okay, refinery has the, out of that, as I told, in that 40%, this one has the highest, 28%. Okay, then it has electricity, then steel, then coal, natural gas, crude oil, cement, and fertilizers. So how to remember this, I'll show you a very easy trick. Okay, so here, if you see, just remember CCC. Okay, then related industries, meaning CCC means 3 things you have to remember: cement, coal, and crude oil. Okay, it's very important sectors itself. When you think, these 3 will surely come to your mind. Cement is one industry which you need, coal is one for energy, and crude oil. Now related to this, what all is there, you write. Okay, like crude oil means what? Crude oil, and one more thing is natural gas will be there, and then refineries will be there. So that in one line, if you study, 3 industry will be there. Okay, coal, when you think what will coal, with that we generate electricity. Okay, and cement, steel. For construction, you need cement also, you need steel also. So after you write the 3 things, right, I'm just helping you a trick to by heart it. Cement, coal, and crude oil. Then cement related is steel, coal related is electricity, crude oil related is natural gas and refineries. Now one more is there, there were 7 industries there, one more is there, fertilizer. That because this is E for electricity, you can write F for fertilizer, immediate next letter. Okay, F for fertilizer. And now in this model, if I write, one benefit is the weightage also is easy to by heart. Okay, refineries is the highest weightage, refineries is the highest weightage, and fertilizer is the lowest weightage. In that 8 industries which I showed you, refineries is 28% and fertilizer is 2.63%. Okay, so this much at least you should know. This entire ordering, it's very difficult to by heart. Still, if you want, you can by heart. That's why I given you here. Okay, like after refineries electricity, after electricity steel, after steel coal, after coal natural gas, then crude oil. This if you can by heart, you by heart. But at least the first and last, that is refinery is the highest and fertilizer is the lowest. And the names of these 8 sectors you should by heart. That trick also I showed you here. This is more than sufficient to solve the questions which till date came in exam. Okay, till date this much level only have asked. They have not asked you to arrange this in order. Still, if that's also there, I have given you that also. Okay, now question number 18.